Here we have a Volkswagen Polo R-Line TSI 1 litre 115 PS. The car is in great shape and it has a top spec, including an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, a R-Line styling pack, an anti-lock braking system, a hydraulic brake assist, driver alert system, along with these 16-inch Sebring alloy wheels. Now, the boot's a good size and it even comes equipped with a full-size spare wheel. The interior has 2 USB ports for Apple or Android CarPlay, a composition media system and Volkswagen Connect. So for more information, feel free to phone, email or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.